Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs easy to peel. To begin, select eggs that are at least 1 week old, as they tend to peel much more easily than very fresh ones. Carefully place your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a saucepan. Then, cover the eggs with cold water, ensuring there is about 1 inch of water above the top of the eggs. This initial step sets the stage for perfectly peelable eggs. Once your eggs are covered with water, bring the pot to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as the water reaches a full boil, immediately remove the pot from the heat source. Do not lift the lid. Let the eggs sit undisturbed in the hot water for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired yolk consistency. This gentle cooking method helps prevent the egg white from sticking to the shell. After the eggs have finished cooking, it's crucial to stop the cooking process quickly. Immediately transfer the hot eggs from the pot into a large bowl filled with ice water. This sudden temperature change causes the egg white to contract, separating it from the shell. Allow the eggs to cool completely in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes or even longer for easier handling. Once the eggs are thoroughly chilled, it's time to peel them. Gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a hard surface to create a small crack. Then, roll the egg between your palms to create a network of tiny cracks all over the shell. For the easiest peeling, try peeling the egg under cold running water. The water helps to wash away small shell fragments and lubricate the membrane, making the shells slide right off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.